My car's the same color as fluoride. What the color is fluoride?
If you're liking the content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment, it helps the channel grow. Brought to you earlier from my newest video. If you haven't checked it out, be sure to go check it out. It's called Cold Start 2011 Crown Victoria Cold Start and Ride Along. Since I'm making another store run before I end the night out, I said let me give you guys a night ride. And I want to call this segment Vic at Night. Vic at Night. You can hear that whooshy sound. That's the dirt that's on my tires coming off. That sound right there. That's the dirt on my tires. Some real muddy tires. It'll come off after a while. Let me get driving this car. This is Vic at Night. This is the police, so let me put the camera down. You see them people. Put the camera down.
That's the sound of the police!
This is Vic at Night. Chicago police don't play, so I ain't finna play with them. Just making a short run. As I said, this is Vic at Night. If you're liking the content, it's your boy King Crown. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Can't tell you nothing much more. I'm gonna let you hear this car. Know what you came for, not for nothing. Let's get to it. Think I should dust him? Let's dust that boy. He ain't gonna know what it came to. He gonna. Oh, she ain't ready. We gonna dust her. She give her a head start. See, it's a skinny lane. It's one lane pretty much. It's supposed to be two lanes, but as you can see, the cars are parked in pretty much the street. So I'm finna beat her for that lane. I'm finna get in front of her for that lane. You want to start? Oh, no, you don't want to go? I'll go. Yeah, that's how you do that. Yeah. Like I said, this is Vic at Night. You liking? Make sure you liking. Like a liking. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, it's Chicago Potholes. Other than that, you know the Vic ride smooth. Smooth criminal. Yeah. Let's get it. Be sure to subscribe, comment. Let me know which one of my videos you like. Hit that comment section with them king's crown if you the king's people. If you're a king yourself, or if you just an overall fan of the Crown Victorious, hit the comment section with that crown somewhere in your typing section of your phone. The G station, as you guys can obviously see.
It's 2 numbers.
Got the necessities. How do I get up out of there? There we go. Got up out that jam. And that's the boy right there. See the muddy tires? Yeah. The LEDs jumping off. Let's continue this goddamn trip. I should have left the keyless entry. As I said in my last video, I should have left that on so you guys can get an idea of what's going on with it. But hey, they have the E85 ethanol. No, they don't have the E85 ethanol. Yeah, be sure to stay tuned and like, share, subscribe, and get it all intermixed with the algorithms into your watching habits. That way you can always catch my videos. You hit the post notifications so you can always be buzzed to let you know when I'm here. And make sure you subscribe. It all works when you subscribe. That's how it all intertwines. And make sure you liking the content, you commenting, because my next video I'm going to cover E85. Is it good for your car? Should you put it in your car? When the Crown Victoria start running it, and all the good information on E85, and I'm gonna do a cold start to that. So you make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and always comment. Let me know how you love the content. Let me know what I should work on, what I should do different. Let's go. You guys, lights, headlights of the oncoming traffic. Yeah, the glare is crazy. Find a street you can fly, guys. Not necessarily. Got the street kids. It's past your bedtime. Chicago, city of Chicago, well, not all of it. Now when we pull past this light, when I turn my camera to the right, you can get a glimpse of the Sears Tower, which is called the Willis Tower now, but we still call it the Sears. You know what they're talking about. Can we see it? Can we see it? Yeah, I can see it. You guys might not be able to pick it up because my windows are dirty. Yeah. But yeah, being that I just passed another Vic. Catch that on slow-mo. Get a glimpse of the dash. The whole situation. So you can see what is going on. We're gonna get some action. Before the end of the night is out. Straight away. Let's see. It's a creepy alley. Nothing too creepy. You know what? Let's hit them with the night light view. Let's get some night view going on. As you can see, I'm using my night light, the little spotlight, I should say. Gotta start using more correct terms. Slang, baby. You know how I go. Yeah, let's shine on that garbage can over there. What you doing, garbage can? I'll try this at home. Yeah, let me put that up because there's a car coming. I don't know if it's the real police. I don't need them, you know, on there with me. Let's see what it is. Sonata. Let's let these fools get past. You guys probably want to check out that nightlight a little bit more. Yeah. 2011 Crown Victoria nightlight. Let's get the night. Oh yeah, as you can see, yeah, my windows. Yeah. Got the dust bunnies, the baby dust bunnies on it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll holler at you guys. And this night, this is the segment I'm gonna call Vic at Night. You guys have a nice night. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Holla. Peace.
Yeah. We step back over up in the